Okay, now we want to form quadratic equation with the following roots. So there are two ways. The first method is using the factorization method. If the root is 2, so we say x minus 2. If the root is 6, so x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, then multiply each other. Okay, x times x, so x squared, x times negative 6, so negative 6x, negative 2 times x will be negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 6 will be positive 12, equal to 0, simplify. So x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, in order to know whether this is correct or not, then you reverse. So we find the root from this equation. So yes, one, two. So the value of A is 1, B is negative 8, C is 12. So first root is 6, the other root is 2. Okay, right. Okay, but for some purposes, you have to know the second method. If you do not know this method, is okay. But if you do not know the second method, it's not okay. You have to know the second method. So method 2 is that you use formula. Okay, formula. What is the formula? X squared minus sum of root times x plus product of root equals 0. Okay, so the x squared minus, what is sum of root? Add the root. 2 plus 6 will be 8. X plus product of root, multiply 2 times 6, 12. So the equation will be x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. So you have to know this method because we are going to use this for some of other questions, okay, which is not possible to use this method. Okay. B, negative 1 and 4 you are given. So the factorization method means x plus 1 and x minus 4 equals to 0. Multiply x times x, x squared, x times negative 4, negative 4x, 1 times x, plus x, 1 times negative 4 equals 0. So x squared, negative 4 plus 1 will be negative 3, minus 4 equals 0. That's it. Okay, so the other method, formula. So x squared minus sum of root x plus product of root equal 0. So x squared minus sum will be negative 1 plus 4 x plus product of root 1 or negative 1 times 4 equals 0. Simplify. Negative 1 plus 4 will be 3 minus 3 x plus negative 1 times 4 will be negative 4 equal to 0. Simplify. X squared minus 3x plus minus 4 will be negative 4 equals 0. Okay, they are equal. Right. So C, factorization. So x plus 4 and x plus 7 equals 0. So x squared plus 7x plus 4x plus 28 equals 0. 7 plus 4 will be 11. X squared plus 11x plus 28 equals 0. Okay, the formula will be x squared minus SOR x plus product of root equals 0. So x squared minus sum will be negative 4 plus negative 7. X plus product will be negative 4 times negative 7 equals 0. So x squared minus negative 4 plus negative 7 will be negative 11. X, plus 28 equal to 0. Negative 4 times negative 7 will be positive. Minus minus become positive juga. Plus 11x plus 28 equal 0. Okay. And question D, the roots given are 1 over 5 and negative 5. So the factorization of this will be 5x minus 1. So this one will be x plus 5 equals 0. Okay, if you wonder how you get this, you have to understand, you have to say x equals 1 over 5. Then you multiply this, so you get 5x equals 1. So if you move that 1, become 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so inside the bracket will be 5x minus 1. Now we multiply 5x times x. So 5x squared, 5x times 5, 25x. Negative 1 times x will be negative x. And negative 1 times negative 5, negative 1 times 5 will be negative 5 equals 0. 25 minus 1 will be 24. So the equation will be 5x squared plus 24x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so the method 2, using the formula x squared minus sum of root x plus product of root equals 0. So x squared minus sum will be 1 over 5 plus negative 5. X plus product will be 1 over 5 times negative 5 equals 0. So x squared, okay, so this one, just press calculator. 1 over 5 minus 5 is negative 24 over 5. Inside the bracket is negative 24 over 5. X plus, this one you cut, so become negative 1 equals 0. So negative become positive. So x squared plus 24 over 5x minus 1 equals 0. But then, if you have equation which involve fraction, you multiply by denominator. Means that you multiply everything with 5. So, x squared times 5, so become 5x squared. 24 over 5 times 5, 5 and 5 cut. So, we have 24x. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. So, equal to 0. So, it becomes like this. Okay.